Inside I got a North Star 220 down there supporting this 480 up here. Those are my two slave amps, two SK 2500.1s. Here's my speaker leads and terminals right here. Per sub inside the box. 4 SKAR VXF 15s. That's my other master amp. Strapped and gain matched at 1 ohm, which is a half ohm per amp, clamping around 9K between all 4 amps. Of course, a masterpiece enclosure, 2 12-inch BigAssPorts. As I said, 4 SKAR VXF 15s, 2 LP 80.4s that I've had for right at 5 years now. No issues at all. Box is tuned to 40 Hertz. My bandwidth is from 10 Hertz up to 60 Hertz. Yep. North Star SMS AGM 480. I've had that battery going on 4 years. Single volt meter there. Kenwood X 502 KDC. Clarion EQS 746. Let's go up on the hood. Got a Singer 350 up under here. Yep. A North Star AGM 31. I've had this battery right at 4 years now. All kicker, Hopperflex OFC, Sky High OFC. So this is like a little rundown. I can do a 153.7 decibel sealed on the dash at 36 Hertz. Door open, mic on the dash. I can do a 155.1 dB at 43 Hertz. And in the kick, door open at 43 Hertz, I can do a 156. Of course, the VXFs are SQ subs, but I'm running this year just to show they can be done for ISPLL usage and be good musical competition wise. So appreciate all y'all fans for following me over the years and checking everything out. And this is my man cave audio shop inside. All these trophies right here are the Forerunners trophies over the years.